Napakarami nga po ngayon sa social media mga artikulo kaliwat kanan ang nagbabahagi at nagko-congratulate sa SB19 na talaga namang masasabing proud at pride ng Pinoy o ng Pilipinas. Sa isa nga pong artikulo, ibinahagi nila na pwedeng-pwede namang itapat or pwedeng-pwede namang itapat ang P-pop King na SB19 sa mga international artists. Ito'y matapos magkaroon ng halos 100,000 audience sa kanilang nakaraang concert. Mula sa Tag Warriors Official, P-pop Kings deliver a show that matched top international festivals. What a historic night at the SMDC Festival grounds. SB19 wakas at simula finale didn't just break records. It set a whole new standard for live entertainment in the country. Scale and production, world-class all the way, with an estimated 100,000 fans in attendance, inside and outside the venue. This was their biggest and most ambitious show yet. The production was absolutely massive, featuring multiple stages, advanced hydraulics, stunning visuals, and a fireworks display that lit up the sky. Many are saying it's on par, if not better than the biggest international music festivals we've seen. From the stage design to the technical execution, everything screamed global standard. Performance and energy, unmatched. Their vocals, choreography, and stage presence were flawless, proving once again that they can stand shoulder to shoulder with the world's top artists. Even international collaborators and guests were blown away by the energy and organization of the event. Proudly Pinoy, globally competitive. This isn't just a concert, it's proof that P-pop has arrived on the world stage. SB19 has shown that Filipino talent can create experience that rival and even surpass those from abroad. We are no longer just spectators, we are now setting the trend. Ilang lang ang mga ito sa mga artikulo na nagbigay ng kanilang support at pagpapasalamat sa ginawa ng SB19 dahil hindi lang talaga Pilipinas ang pinag-usapan dito, kundi pati na rin ang mga maliliit na negosyante na nagkaroon ng chance na ma-sold out ang kanilang tinda sa isang araw. Well, ano masasabi niyo about dito? Congratulations SB19! Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Shoot this now.